Hey guys, welcome back to Motivation and Box Trucking. I'm so excited to continue the state trucking series with you all. But before we get into it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. And if you know anyone who's interested in trucking or is currently an owner operator but is kind of stuck in the rut, be sure to share this video with them. So without further ado, let's get right into what's moving Illinois. Illinois is in the heart of the Midwest, bordered by Wisconsin, Iowa, Missouri, Kentucky, and Indiana. One of the Great Lakes, Lake Michigan, feeds its northern region. Illinois has a rich history in architecture. With the Sears Tower located in Chicago, it is the tallest building in the United States. One of the world's tallest dormitories, the Waterton Towers, can be found in Normal, Illinois, at Illinois State University. The Mississippi River is a major source of freight for many of the Illinois ports, including the Port of Chicago. The average CDL truck driver sees about $6,000 a month. There were approximately 54,000 CDL drivers in the Chicago, Naperville, Arlington metro area, rating it third in the country for trucker employment. While it's not the capital, Chicago has become a major hub for the logistics industry. Because of its central location to the rest of the United States, you can reach most of the other states within a 24-hour drive. Chicago also has one of the largest interstate highway systems in the United States. Historic Route 66, known as the Main Street of America, begins in Chicago and runs to LA. It is 2,448 miles long. Even though highways have made the trek across country more efficient, some drivers still choose to travel along the scenic Route 66 to experience a piece of American history and culture. Let's explore the commodities found in the state of Illinois. A commodity is a raw material or primary agricultural product that can be bought or sold, such as copper or coffee. It is also a valuable thing, such as water or time. The top agricultural commodity in Illinois is corn, bringing in $14.2 billion yearly. That is followed closely by soybeans at $9.8 billion, hogs at $2.1 billion, cattle and calves at $718 million, and miscellaneous crops rounding it off at $478 million a year. Illinois is the top producer of soybeans in the country and the second largest producer of corn. In 2023, Illinois harvested over 11 million acres of corn. Illinois is the leader in ethanol production, using 274 million bushels of corn to produce more ethanol than any other state. Next, we have exports. An export is a commodity, article, or service sold abroad. The top agricultural exports in Illinois are soybeans, contributing $5.5 billion to its economy. Then we have corn, contributing $2.8 billion yearly. There are many other items moved by truck in the state of Illinois that are not agricultural. The top items moved by trucks are light petroleum oils. This includes gasoline, kerosene, and jet fuel. Next are anti-serums, which are blood serums containing antibodies used for immunizations. Lastly, miscellaneous medications are moved by truck in Illinois. Hearing this, you may want to invest in your hazmat endorsements so that you don't miss out on any opportunities. Amazon has ample relay opportunities in the state. For non-CDL box trucks and cube trucks, there are hundreds, in fact nearly 1,000 loads on the board currently. There are quite a few sort, fulfillment, flex, and DSP centers to pull from. There's also plenty of opportunities for rigs as well. There are even loads with adjustable pickup times available in the state. If you are interested in learning more about the relay opportunities in your area, be sure to check out our Patreon. There, we share our strategies for making six figures with Amazon Relay alone. Become a member today for exclusive content. The best way to be in the know and expand your logistics company is to join the Illinois Trucking Association. There are many resources, whether you join as an official member or not. You and your employees can take valuable courses. As a member, you can also attend networking events such as the annual Christmas open house in December and also the annual Boxing Night, which is coming up in February 2025. Registration is open online now to attend or for you to become a sponsor. With that, we thank you for joining us on this journey through America for What's Moving, a state trucking series. Be sure to check out all 50 states. Until next time, stay safe and stay motivated.